A pleasant morning, students. I hope everyone is staying safe in your home. Today, new topic start. The topic name is identities. That means algebraic identities and cube identities. Algebraic identities. Some formulas I will give in form. So this topic cube identities and algebraic identities, so totally 9 formulas having, that 9 formulas applying the sums. So first one, a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one, a minus b whole square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one, a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. Fourth one, x plus a and x plus b equal x square plus a plus b whole power x plus ab. And next, this is algebraic identities finished. Now cubic identities. Cubic means cube means 3 times. So fifth one, a plus b whole cube. I write common number. So a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Sixth one, a minus b whole cube equal a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Seventh one, x plus a, x plus b, x plus c equal x cube plus a plus b plus c whole x power 2 plus AB plus BC plus CA x plus ABC. Eighth one, A cube plus B cube equal A plus B, A square minus 3B minus AB plus B square. Next, A cube minus B cube, A plus B, A square plus AB plus B square. So now in starting example sums, example 3.8, page number 87. The first question, find the value of 3a plus 4c whole square by using a plus b whole square identity. So here what is the formula a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a value equal to 3a, b value equal 4c. So a equal 3a, b equal to 4c. We apply the value. So 3a plus 4c whole square equal 3a whole square plus 2 into 3a into 4c plus 4c whole square. 3 here, 3 square equal to 9 power a. So 9a square plus 4, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So 24ac plus 4 square 16c square. So this is the first formula, first one. And the example 3.9, find the value of 998 whole square by using a minus b whole square identity. 998, how to write the a minus b format? So nearest whole number for 1000. So 1000 minus 2 equal 998. So a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 998 whole square equal to 1000 minus 2 whole square. So 1000 minus 2, a equal to 1000, b equal to 2. So we write the formula method. 1000 minus 2 whole square, 1000 whole square minus 2 into 1000 into 2 plus 2 power 2. So 1000 square equal 10 lakhs minus 2 2s are 4, 2000, 4000 plus 4. So 99,006, 9,96,004. This is the answer. And next, example 3.10, simplify 3x plus 5y and 3x minus 5y using a plus b, a minus b method. Here you see the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here coming reverse formula. So a plus b into a minus b equal a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b equal a square minus b square. A equal 3x, b equal 5y. So 3x plus 5y, 3x minus 5y equal 3x whole square minus 5y whole square. So 3 square 9x square minus 25y square. Over. Next sum, example 3.11, the same formula, just change correct format, y square minus 16 by using a square minus b square identity. So here 16 for square, 4 multiply 4 equal to 16. That means we write to 4 square. So y square minus 4 square, comparing a square minus b square. So a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. So y square minus 4 square equal y plus 4 into y minus 4. And next sum 3.12, 5x plus 3 and 5x plus 4 by using x plus a and x plus b identity. Solution. So x plus a, x plus b equal x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So here x value equal, commonly take 5x, a value 3, b value 4. So we write 5x plus 3, 5x plus 4 equal 5x whole square plus a plus b value 3 plus 4. So b value 3. So 3 plus 4, close the bracket, 5x plus 3 multiply 4, ab value. So 25x square, 5 square equal to 25x. 25x square plus 7, 5x plus 12 equal 25x square plus 35x plus 12. So this is over for algebraic identities example sums. Now we start cubic identities. Already I informed 4 formulas: a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, x plus a, x plus b, x plus c, a plus b whole cube, a minus whole cube, that and all. So example 3.13 first sum, expand x plus 4 whole cube. So what is the formula? A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So here a equal to x, b equal to 4. So x plus 4 whole cube equal x cube plus 3x square, b value 4 plus 3x 4 square plus 4 cube equal x cube plus 12x square plus 3x 4 square 16 plus 64 equal x cube plus 12x square plus 48x plus 64. And next sum, example 3.14, find the value of 103 whole square. Here 103 how to write? Very easy, 100 plus 3 whole cube, the same formula, a plus b whole cube formula. So we write 103 equal 100 plus 3 whole cube. Here what the same formula, a plus b whole cube equal a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here a equal to 100, b equal to 3. So 100 plus 3 whole cube equal 100 cube plus 3 into 100 square bracket 3 plus 3 into 100 into 3 square plus 3 cube. So 100 cube the value 10 lakh plus 3 into 100 square 10,000 into 3 plus 3 into 100 into 9 plus 27, so equal to 1 lakh plus 90,000 plus 2,700 plus 27. So the value 10,92,727. Next sum, example 3.15, expand y minus 5 whole cube. Very easy, the comparing the formula, a minus b whole cube equal a cube minus 3a square plus 3ab square minus b cube. So a equal to y, b equal to 5. So y minus 5 whole cube equal y cube minus 3y power 2 bracket 5 plus 3y pi square minus 5 cube. So y cube minus 3 5 3 are 15y square plus 3y 5 square 25 minus 125 equal y cube minus 15y square plus 75y minus 125. Next example 3.16, find the value here 98 cube. So 98 cube how to write? Nearest whole number 100. So 100 minus 2 whole cube. So 98 cube equal 100 minus 2 whole cube. A equal to 100, B equal to 2. So 100 minus 2 whole cube equal 100 cube minus 300 square multiply 2 plus 3 multiply 100 multiply 2 power 2 minus 2 cube equal 10 lakh minus 3 into 100 square 10,000 into 2 plus 300 into 4 minus 8. So equal 10 lakh minus 60,000 plus 1,200 minus 8. So 9 lakh 41,192. So this is the answer. Next example 3.17, x plus 3 x plus 5 x plus 2, that means expand x plus 3 x plus 5 x plus 2. So this is the formula. What formula we using? X plus a and x plus b and x plus c equal x cube plus in bracket a plus b plus c x square and ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. So here x equal to commonly x value, a equal to 3, b equal to 5, c equal to 2. We apply the value x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 2 equal x cube plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 x square plus 3 multiply 5 plus 5 multiply 2 plus 2 multiply 3 bracket x plus 3 multiply 5 multiply 2. So now the answer, right? X cube 5 plus 3 2, 2 plus 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 x square plus 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6 bracket x plus 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So x cube plus 10x square plus 15 plus 10 25, 25 plus 6 31x plus 30. So over the example sums. Your homework exercise 3.2 sums and example sums, write in your subject note neatly. Today class is over. Thank you students. Thank you so much.